Hi, in this video I will show you how to install and adjust your IKEA Besta doors. Always unpack and assemble your IKEA furniture on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Cardboard from packaging will work too. Things that you need: any Besta door, soft closing Besta door hinges, 1 pack. Insert the hinges into holes in the door. Align holes for screws on hinges and door panels. Screw in provided screws. In some door panels there are extra holes. In this case, IKEA provides transparent plastic covers for them. Every door comes with at least 2 plastic bumpers. Insert them on the bottom and top of the door. Installing the door by yourself can be a bit tricky. Hold the door in the center with one hand. Align the hinges with the holes on the cabinet. Using the second hand, screw in top screw on the top hinge. It was the most tricky part. Now you can finally remove your hand as the door is pretty secured. Next, install the top screw on the bottom hinge. Finish the remaining 2 screws. Most of the time the doors from IKEA will be pretty leveled. However, you do need to adjust them occasionally. There are 3 ways to adjust your door. Each hinge is adjusted separately. Right and left. Adjust this screw to move each corner right or left. In and out. You can also adjust the space between the door and cabinet by moving the door in or out. Loosen up the screw and move the door into the desired position. Tighten the screw back in. Up and down. You might want to level the door with the edge of the cabinet and move it up or down a little. Loosen up the screws that hold hinges to the cabinet and adjust this screw to move the hinge up or down as needed. Tighten the screw back in. And that's how you install and adjust an IKEA Besta door. In the next video I will show you how to install an IKEA push opener. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more IKEA how-tos.